Hi there, hope you're all doing well. This week's Zombicide Undead or Alive mini is Reigns from the Dead West set. He was black and white Zenithal primed, and I get started with Vallejo's black grey for the base layer of his suit. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I get his shirt, inside lining of the jacket, and the piece around the hat with Berserker red. For his hands and face, I went for Elven skin. As they are quite pale in the artwork, this is the lightest skin tone I have. With the skin now done, I can move on to the hair with black brown. Since I had this out, I also done the wooden parts of the rifle and the shoes in this colour. Now to add some colour to the suit, his jacket has a green tint in the artwork. I used a Wyvern green as just a highlight over all of those raised folds and the flat areas. To highlight up the bottoms and the hat, I went for dark sea green. With the suit highlighted, the red was way too dark now, so I grabbed flat red and just brought up all of those raised parts. As with all of my current Zombicide minis, I get the base done with Plague Brown. For the brown, I went for a quick highlight of Wasteland brown. His skin wasn't pale enough for the artwork, so I'll bring it up a little bit more with Ivory Tusk, just on all those raised parts. Getting started on the metal parts, I used gun metal for the rifle barrel. There is quite a bit of gold on this mini, so all of these parts get done with gold from AK Interactive. To wash the mini, I went for an all-over wash of light tone wash. Finishing up, I add sandy desert texture to the base. And that will be it for Reigns, another very nice and easy mini to get done from this set. Hopefully they all kind of stay like this and I can get down to 20 minutes per mini. If you have any questions though, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, if you want a closer look at this mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.